Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this video of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how to fix Wi-Fi name not showing issue on Android. Some of the Android users recently keep saying their Wi-Fi name is missing or their Wi-Fi name is not showing in your Wi-Fi section, or the Wi-Fi get disappeared from the Wi-Fi setting on your phone device. They cannot find the Wi-Fi router name from the Wi-Fi setting of their phone. So I will just give you few solutions for how you can solve this issue. First thing is you need to open this setting, tap setting on your phone device. In this setting, you scroll down to this system, and there you need to tap on advanced. You will find all the other option over here. From there you go and tap on reset option. Tap that. Now you need to tap reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Tap on it. Now you choose a network that you want to reset and then tap on reset setting. Draw your phone pattern. Reset all network setting. Tap on reset setting. Now once the reset is done, you need to go back to the setting again. Tap open setting. Now then again go to system once more. Go to advanced and then open the developer option. Tap that. Now here on the developer option, you need to scroll down and there you need to look for Wi-Fi scan throttling. You scroll down and there you can see the option. Now you need to enable this. Tap on the toggle moving it to the right side. While you do that, you also make sure that you restart your Wi-Fi router, and your router should be powered on after doing all the work. Now you need to choose your Wi-Fi. Tap open Wi-Fi. Tap on the Wi-Fi of yours. Provide the password. Tap on connect. The Wi-Fi has been connected, but you still having this issue, you need to reset your Wi-Fi configuration. You're good to go. So this is the way how you can fix Wi-Fi name not showing issue on Android. Hope this video was useful. Thank you for watching till the very end.